friends, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. I am Pritha and today I am going to share with you a very famous Indian street food recipe, or you can say this is a very famous Indian snacks which is called samosa, or in Bengali we call it as Singara. So let's have a quick look that what are the ingredients we will be requiring for making samosa or Singara. Before that, I must tell you that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the recipe, then like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends.
For making samosa, I have taken here 5 boiled potatoes, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon Maggi masala, 2 teaspoon roasted masalas, salt as per taste, a bit of sugar, peanuts, 2 cups of refined oil, 1/4 cup water and half teaspoon baking soda. At first I have taken a bowl, and in that mixing bowl I have added 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, and then I have added all the dry ingredients in it. That means sugar as per taste, salt as per taste and half teaspoon baking soda and refined oil in it. I have taken here around 2 tablespoons refined oil. After mixing all the ingredients properly, the texture of the mixture should be like this. Now you need to add some water gradually and have to make a tight dough. See, my tight dough is ready for samosa, and now keep this aside for 30 minutes. Now in the meantime, we need to prepare the potato filling for the samosas, and for that I have taken here some potatoes, boiled potatoes, and we need to roughly mash these potatoes. After roughly mashing the potatoes, I have taken a karhai or frying pan, and I have added around 1 teaspoon oil in it, and when the oil is well heated, I have added the roughly mashed potatoes into the oil. Now add some salt as per taste, some sugar as per taste. Sugar is not for the sweetness of the stuffing, it's just to balance the taste. Some turmeric powder, around half teaspoon I have added, and stir it well. Now we will be adding some masalas. I have added some Maggi masala here. Maggi masala, you can easily get this from any grocery stores. Some bhaja masala or dry roasted masalas, and now we will be adding some ginger paste and the crushed peanuts. We need to mix all this very well. For these dry roasted masalas, I have taken around 2 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon panchforon. So panchforon is nothing but 5 whole spices in an equal proportion, and these 5 spices are black cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, nigella seeds, fenugreek seeds and fennel seeds in an equal proportion. So I have roasted all these masalas very well, and then I have grinded it. So this is called bhaja masala, and this masala is very important for this samosa. See, after adding all these masalas, we have cooked it for around 3 minutes, and now the samosa stuffing or samosa filling is totally ready. Let it be cool. 30 minutes are over now. Now you need to mix this dough once again for 2 to 3 minutes, and then take a big portion of the dough and make it a ball. And now let's roll it out. roll it into a big oval. I mean the shape should be oval shape. After rolling it out, the thickness should be like this from all the sides. Now we are going to cut this from the middle. Now take a portion and we need to join the corners with the help of water. So in a bowl I have taken some water and I have dipped my finger into the water, and with the help of water we are going to join the corners. So see, two corners has been joined and the shape will be like this. Now we need to take a portion of the masalas or the potato stuffing and we are going to fill this. With the help of a spoon or with the help of your fingers, you need to press it and you need to fill this with the potato stuffing. And now finally we are going to seal the samosa, and again we need to take the help of some water, and with the help of the water we need to seal the samosas. Like this we need to make all the samosas. Following the same way we need to make all the samosa stuffing. For better understanding, I am going to show this step again. Following the same way, all the samosa stuffing needs to be done, and then I have taken a kadhai or frying pan and I have added some refined oil into it, and when the oil is medium heated, that time we need to add the samosas into the oil. For frying samosas we don't need proper well heated oil, just medium heated oil is perfect for frying samosas. And also we need to fry the samosas in a low flame. You need to have a good patience level for making samosas or frying samosas, because you can't make them at high flame or medium flame. The flame should be in low always, and all the sides needs to be fried properly. So it would take around 15 minutes to fry the samosas properly. So indeed you need to have a very good patience level to fry the samosas. See, the color has been changed now, and now it looks like all the samosas are fried well, and at this time we can take it out from the oil. Following the same way, we need to fry all the samosas. And I have fried all the samosas following the same procedure. Now my samosas are ready to be served.
Now, if you want any tea time snacks, then you don't need to go outside. You can definitely make it at your home following my recipe. So I hope you liked my Singara or Samosa recipe. So if you liked it, then please share the video with your family and friends, and like the video and comment on the video, and let me know your valuable feedback by commenting on the below comment section. And if you have any special requests regarding any special recipes, then you can let me know by commenting on the comment section. I will definitely try to bring the recipe in front of you as soon as possible. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.